Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. This is Cooking with Efia. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Today we are making one of Ghanaians famous or favorite street food or snack. You are definitely going to love this recipe, so without wasting much time, let's get started. Since we're making crispy fried yam, I am obviously going to need my yam, and the yam I'll be using for this recipe is called puna in Ghana. You can use any yam of your choice, but originally this recipe calls for puna yam. I don't know the English name for it. I guess this is how we always call it in Ghana. It's called puna. It's so delicious. Okay, so I will start by peeling off the skin from the yam very nicely. You can go ahead and use any method that you feel comfortable in it. Okay, next I will go ahead and wash my yam very well to get rid of any dirt out of it. You can wash it 2 to 3 times depending on how dirty the yam is. So I'll be washing mine until the water comes out very clean. Alright, so if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like this video and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after washing the yam very nicely, I will go ahead and slice it into smaller shapes or into smaller sizes. So usually the street sellers will not cut it into smaller sizes like this one. This is homemade, and homemade is always the best. Okay, so I want mine to be very crispy. If you like, you can cut your yam into bigger sizes if you want. And so this is how the street sellers do their own. They cut it in bigger sizes, just the way you seen it on your screen. So if you love this method, why not go ahead and use this one and you are good to go. Sometimes when you are cooking, you just have to express yourself in your own unique way. Even if it's in circular sizes or shapes, you are definitely good to go. Okay, so now let's go ahead and wash our yam for the second time. We want to make sure that the yam is all clean so we can enjoy it really well. So after washing the yam for the second time, I'm going to go ahead and add in my turmeric powder for color. It is not going to change the taste of this yam. It's just going to add in some beautiful yellow color to it. And I'm also going to add in my sugar. Don't be surprised, because if you really want your yam to be very crispy, then sugar is the best option for you. I added in my salt, and I'll also add in some homemade seasoning salt to give it extra flavor. Okay, I sprinkle a little amount of water to it, and I'm going to rub it beautifully until the turmeric powder mixes well with the yam very well. If you don't like the taste of turmeric powder, or if you think the turmeric powder is going to overtake the taste of this yam, you can go ahead and use yellow food color, or you can omit it totally. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and cover my yam with some cling film, and I'm going to allow this to rest in my refrigerator for about 1 hour. You can fry this immediately if you don't want to stress yourself at all. Okay, so now let's heat up some oil, and our yam is all ready now. So we're going to fry this on high heat. This is deep frying. So as soon as I add in my yam to my oil, I'll allow it to rest a little bit in the oil before I will stir. Okay, so let's fry this until it turns into the nice and crispy yam chips that we want. Alright, so after frying this yam on high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes now, it's looking already very crispy, and this is how I want it. It is looking all golden, and I love how it turned out. You can also try this recipe and you are definitely going to love it. So now let's fry our second batch until everything is nice and well fried. And so to my lovely returning subscribers and new foodie members right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So traditionally, this crispy yam chips is one of Ghanaians' favorite street snack or food, and we always enjoy this food with some fried sausages or fried fish. And we also enjoy this crispy yam chips with some black chili sauce, green chili sauce, and red pepper sauce. You can also enjoy with any sauce that you feel comfortable in it. I have a recipe on how to make the shito or black chili sauce on my YouTube channel, and I also have the green chili sauce on my channel as well, so kindly check it out. Okay, thank you for watching this video and kindly stay blessed. Bye.